Ketaki Banga. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Webidoo Middle East and Africa. We are a MarTech company and our flagship product is an AI marketing tool for micro and small businesses. We also have other innovative marketing and AI solutions for larger enterprises. What I would really admire about the DIFC Innovation Hub is the ecosystem and the access to a lot of knowledge sharing and support that we've received throughout, right from our decision-making stage up to even now when we are going through, the typical pains and growing pains of a startup and a scale-up. So we chose to become innovation partners with DIFC Innovation Hub because we really believe in enabling large and small businesses with access to AI and innovation. So the infrastructure support that we've got in terms of reaching out to the community of small and as well as large businesses here, being able to really understand how we can make an impact and also refine our product strategy has been invaluable. What's really beneficial with the Ignyte platform is that startups and scale-ups, they really get to interact with each other. You have access to mentors, you have access to even investors, and you really get to exchange thoughts, best practices, and learn from each other.